What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to set up PayID on CommBank.com, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and basically hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, what is PayID? So basically it's a faster payment between participating banks anytime with PayID. So it's a memorable piece of information such as your mobile number or email address that you can link to your bank account to receive payments. Once linked, you can simply provide your PayID for payments instead of handing out your BSBN account number. If you need to pay someone who has registered for PayID, you'll only need their PayID to transfer money directly into their bank account. So why use it? Basically, it's fast, it's a near real-time payment across participating banks, it's much easier to remember than your BSBN account number, it's available through the CommBank app, and it's secure. Basically, they'll protect you from losses due to unauthorized transactions on personal and business accounts. So how it works, basically, you can use it to receive and send money. As I told you, to send payments to someone else, they just need to provide you with their PayID, and to receive payments, you'll need to register your mobile number or email address as a PayID using the CommBank app or NetBank. It only takes a couple of minutes. So guys, how to set it up? You need to log on to NetBank and select settings from the menu. Under payment settings, select PayID and then follow the prompts. Basically, you need to register and enter PayID. Then you need to log on to the app and select profile, then manage PayID from the top left menu in the upper left corner. Choose which type of PayID you'd like to register, phone number or email address, then choose an account to link your PayID. So guys, quite an easy way. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.